In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a child page in Confluence. By the end, you'll know two reliable ways to build a clear page hierarchy so your content is easy to find, navigate, and maintain. First, open Confluence in your browser and head to your organization's site. You'll land on the home area where you can access all of your spaces. Think of a space as a container for related work. Each space has its own page tree on the left that shows parent and child pages in a hierarchy. Next, click into the space where you want to work. Once inside, glance at the page tree in the sidebar. This is your map. Parent pages sit at the top level and child pages appear indented beneath them. Organizing pages here helps teammates quickly scan and understand how information is structured. One way to create a child page is by simply dragging a page onto another in the page tree. Click and hold the page you want to move, drag it under the target parent, and look for the visual indicator that shows it will be nested. When you release, the page becomes a child of that parent. This is great for quickly reorganizing content, but be mindful of permissions and restrictions that may prevent moving certain pages. Another method is to use the plus icon in the page tree. Hover over the page you want to be the parent and click the plus icon that appears next to it. This opens a new page directly beneath that parent, automatically creating a child page. Give it a clear, specific title that reflects its purpose, and consider using consistent naming patterns so your tree stays predictable. After you create one child page, you can repeat the same action on any existing child. Hover over that child page, click the plus icon again, and you'll create a child of a child, also known as a grandchild page. This nested structure is especially useful for breaking down complex topics into smaller, focused sections. As you build out your hierarchy, keep a few tips in mind. Aim for logical grouping instead of overly deep nesting, so navigation stays quick. Use concise titles that are scannable in the sidebar. If you move pages with drag and drop, review the tree afterward to confirm everything sits where you expect. And remember, breadcrumbs at the top of a page show the lineage from parent to child, which helps viewers understand context instantly. That's it. Open your space, use drag and drop or the plus icon, and keep your structure tidy with clear titles and sensible nesting. You now have everything you need to create child pages confidently in Confluence.